Welcome back everyone. In this class we are going to see traversing a dictionary using for and while, both the loops. Let us directly go to the Python programming window. Let us create a dictionary having the details of student. I give stu is equal to name of the student. So I give name I give Rocky, and then roll number 120, class 12, age 17. To traverse this dictionary, we can use a for loop or while loop. I will give for k in stu. Here I have given k because that always it takes the key only. Now if I want to just print this, I will print k. It means every time it runs, it takes the key of each item and then prints. Let us run this. So you could see that keys are displayed. Now if I want to take also the values, we know the reference near the dictionary name is given. So stu in the square bracket, the key, the reference is given there, so that now it prints key and the value in a pair in different lines. The same shall be done in other way. Here we will give two different variables. I mean v here for values, and then instead of this stu, I will be giving stu dot items of. We know that items always take key and value pairs. So k becomes the key, v becomes the value. So instead of this, I will directly give here v. So this also will give the same result. We can also do this if we want to print only k. We always use stu dot items of and then use k or v whatever we need. In case if I give v, then it takes all the values. This will be the easier way to traverse the values only. If we give single variable instead of two variables, so let me have only v there. So let us check. So you could see that key and value as a tuple. So all the pairs have come. If we want to use the while loop, little bit lengthy process it will be. Let us know that also. I will have to extract all the keys first as a list. So I will give key is equal to list of stu dot keys of. So it will be a pure list of keys. Now I will have a variable I initialized as 0. Now I will give while I is lesser than len of k. So I take as the index number. Now if I want to print the values, print stu of k of I. K is a list there having all the keys. So I is the index number. So it takes first key and then second key, like that it keeps going. We also need to increment the I. So I plus equal to 1. Let us run this. So you could see all the values are displayed. In case we need the keys, we can directly give here k of I and then the values. So it prints both. Hope this is very clear to you. We'll meet in the next class. Keep watching this channel, keep learning. And also don't forget to share those who need this. Thank you.